Hi, everybody. My name is Fu Li. In today's lesson, you are going to review what you have learned and learn some methods or strategies for learning Chinese characters. You have learned 25 characters. When you see the characters, you should know how to read them and what they mean. Of course, it's better if you can write these characters. Please follow me to read them. 人大山火一二三十天木林森月日明女子好马门口我妈问饿 Many Chinese characters cannot be used as a word by themselves. Therefore, you should learn the related words in addition to the characters you are learning, and practice them in phrases and sentences. These are the words, phrases, and sentences related to the characters you have learned. 大人大山大火火山11 12 13 20 21 22 23 30 31 32 33 3天10天31天森林1月2月3月10月11月12月1月1日2月10日12月31日明天女人子女好人木马大门门口妈妈我妈妈好妈妈明天我问妈妈我饿 In this course, you have also learned about how Chinese characters were created. These are pictographic characters. They were originally created by outlining the rough shape of things to represent something concrete. These are indicative characters. Indicative characters usually have abstract meanings and were created by using some abstract symbols or by adding abstract symbols to already existing characters. These are associative characters. Associative characters were created by combining two or more pictographic or indicative characters together to express a new meaning. These are pictophonetic characters. A pictophonetic character really has two parts. One part gives a clue to the possible meaning the character might be related to. The other part can help you guess how to read the character. Knowing how Chinese characters were created not only makes learning characters more interesting, but also helps you learn them more efficiently. Writing Chinese characters enables us to pay attention to the details of them and helps us remember them better. Therefore, we should practice writing characters more often. Characters are in the shape of a square and made up of strokes. All strokes have a direction, so we should write them in the correct direction. Let's review the strokes we have learned in this course. There are 6 basic strokes: 横、竖、撇、捺、点、提. Besides, there are compound strokes. Compound strokes can be when 2 or more strokes are joined together in writing. So far, we have learned these compound strokes. Please follow me to read them. 竖折、横折钩、横折、撇点、横钩、弯钩、竖折折钩、竖钩、斜钩、竖提. In order to write Chinese characters naturally and fluently, you should also observe the rule of stroke order and follow it to write. That's the end of this course. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.